Hey everyone, my name is Erica Gonzalez, and I am one of the product training coordinators of the product training team here at Wellness Living. In this video, we will be looking at the improved membership cancellation behavior. And so I've arrived here in this particular client's profile. I have gone into their account and passes and membership. I do see here that they have a particular membership and they have stated that they would like to cancel this membership. And so with this new improvement, we can see the following. Under action, we're going to go into the three dots and we're going to select cancel membership. Scrolling down, we do see the following writing right over here and cancellation date. And so the cancellation date will always default to the present date. So just ensure that the staff members are selecting the cancellation date that is being requested, whether that be a month from now. And cancellation reason is here already. Now we see this section right over here, which is the improvement. So remaining visits after the cancellation. And so let's pose this situation where, again, this client has stated that they would like to cancel the membership. This is the present day. They would like to cancel it a month from now. So it would be the 12th. And so right over here, that is a month. However, they do have remaining paid visits, and they also have upcoming visits as well. And so in knowing that, with this new improvement, we see here that the customer or the business can select with these remaining visits what is going to occur. And so it would mean that do not allow the client to use remaining visits after the cancellation date, or allow the clients to use remaining visits after the cancellation date. And so I just wanted to frame the situation a bit more clear. I'm just noticing the clarity wasn't there. And so the cancellation date, let's go back. So the cancellation date was this date right over here. However, the membership that they have, it was a 6-month membership. The actual membership itself ends a month from that cancellation date. And so that means that they have remaining visits from the cancellation date to the actual membership end date. And so now the customer can dictate what happens after that cancellation date, being, let's go back, this date right over here. And so do not allow client to use remaining visits after the cancellation date, or allow. And so we see here that the customer is able to select that based on the cancellation date. Now we want to look at how can this customer or the business set this up. And so within the very same area action, three dots, we're actually going to edit the purchase option. And so within the edit purchase option, we're going to scroll down. We're going to go into advanced settings. We are going to expand that. Scrolling down over here, membership attendance restriction. And so right over here is where I was able to, as a business, set this up. And so apply attendance restriction. So I toggle that on. So ensure that this is toggled on so that those selections of do not allow client to use remaining visits or allow client to use remaining visits are able to be accessible. And so then you would select, or the customer would fill the following out here. Then we're going to scroll down. We're going to scroll down and we are going to see membership cancellation behavior. So they're linked. So it needs to be toggled on again, just so that this information sets in. Apply attendance restriction. Once the application of this attendance restriction is on, we're then going to scroll down, and then it would allow membership cancellation behavior to be selected. And so I selected staff member can choose whether a client can use remaining visits after the membership cancellation. And so because I selected this and because I selected save, I then was able to see that option available right over here. The other options indicated, I'll go back to it. There's a lot of back and forth here. Thank you for bearing with me with the back and forth. I just want to ensure that this information is grasped. Is if we scroll down right over here. So if I selected clients can use remaining visits after the membership cancellation. And so that would mean that it's just infinite, that they can choose it, or it's not null and void, that the clients cannot use. And so we want to make sure that that setting is set to, I went too far. Okay, here we go. Apply attendance restriction, and that we are selecting this selection right over here. And so that is everything and all things to do with improved membership cancellation behavior. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we will see you in the next one.